So here we have the Kia Sportage automatic on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then underneath this tray section a space saver spare wheel. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of this car, which are 20,233. You can change information that's displayed above that using buttons on the steering wheel. There's various different menus available to you, from satellite navigation to audio, user settings, and then this one here, where you can have various fuel economy bits, but also, as you can see being displayed right now, a digital readout for the speedometer, which is particularly handy. We back out to the steering wheel. On the left hand side, we have stereo controls, the ability to answer and end phone calls as well. And over on the right hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter, and the buttons I was using just a moment ago to adjust the information displayed in the center of the two dials. Working our way over into the middle, we have the touchscreen for the car. So you can see, firstly, with regards to radio, this car has got FM, AM and DAB. To listen to your own music, press the media button just here. Nothing is inserted or connected at the moment, but you can listen to your music via the auxiliary input, the USB input, and you can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. On top of that, this car has got a reverse camera with guidelines showing you what direction it's headed in relation to the image that you see on the screen. And it's also got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how that works on both our website and Facebook page. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, the fan speed up and down. From here, you can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. That button turns the air conditioning off or on again. Or you can hit auto and the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. To override it, simply readjust the fans to whatever level you want them on. Incidentally, all of this information shows digitally up on the top of the screen, so you can see me adjusting the fan speed, the temperature for the driver and passenger. It all shows up there. Beneath that section, we have two 12-volt charging sockets, as well as the auxiliary and USB inputs. We then have the fully automatic gearbox and the buttons to the right hand side of that. So this one firstly turns off the parking sensors. Then these three will turn on the downhill brake control, lock the car in 4-wheel drive and put the car in normal or sport mode. You'll know what mode you put it in because it will show you up on here. So that's downhill brake control turned on, and you've got that green symbol to come on and will stay on to let you know you've done that. That's the all-wheel drive lock turned on, and again there's another green symbol that will stay on to let you know that that system is turned on. And driver mode, sport, or when it doesn't say sport, it's in normal. So as you can see, all three of those systems are now on, and now they're turned off. It's as easy as that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.